So Caveman Murph here. We're doing our first test fire of the R Grill XXL spit. I have the firebox all set up and painted with 2000 degree temperature spray paint. And we have our R Grill rotisserie rotating at about 3 revolutions per minute. Everything's set up just perfect. We have about a nice 300 degree temperature fire. I placed my own probe so that I can see what's going on with the heat rising right against the skin of the food. You'll see here that even though it's that close, we're still at only 218 degrees, but I just put some extra coals on, so it's going to take a minute for those to get lit. Anyway, as you can see, we have the ball bearings turning. So you can see that the spit is actually being supported by the ball bearings. All the supports are totally holding up just fine. And so far we have a good cook. So we'll talk to you probably next time when we have the whole pig on here, as this is just a test fire. And we'll go over some other review items and talk about its performance some more. Thanks.